Hello, in order to draw on photos on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you need to open the gallery. Then you want to select the photo that you want to edit, and then tap on this pen icon at the bottom. We will enter the edit mode. Of course, we have multiple tools that we can use in order to edit our photo. However, if you want to draw something, then you want to choose this smiley face with the pen. And now over here you have the option to draw. Over here you have different tools. You can tap on each of them in order to customize them as well. So you can change the thickness, the transparency, as well as the color of the tool. And now you can start drawing whatever you want to. There are some cool things that you can use, like for instance this magic wand, which allows you to sketch something and then it will be converted to something similar. Let's say, and it will look a little bit better. So let's say I want to draw a sun. So this is my sun. And as you can see, I can use one of these suggested things that can be replaced. So if I press this sun, then over here I have this sun that is definitely looking better than mine. And of course, this is how we can create something. Like we can then draw a nose really easily like that, and so on and so forth. Now, once you are done with your drawings, you can either save by pressing this save text in the top right corner. However, if you do so, you will replace the original photo. If you want to keep the original photo but also save this version, then you want to tap on these three dots instead, and then you want to choose save as copy. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.